What's up, y'all? Welcome to my sister's house. Honestly, today I will be styling her hair, makeup, and outfit. She's going to a gala because my brother-in-law's colleague is getting awarded for helping out with the community or something. I know I look crazy today. It's not about me. It's about my sister. You will remember 2 years ago, I did her makeup for her supposedly maternity shoot. That didn't happen because the lady canceled. And then when they rescheduled the maternity shoot, she was in labor. So I don't know why I said all of that, but
So pause, that was not true. What happened was she scheduled a maternity shoot. She went into labor when the day she was supposed to be on the maternity shoot. So they changed it to a newborn shoot, and then the lady canceled the day that it was supposed to be the newborn shoot, and they did it later. I just had to clear that up because I was listening to it and I was like, that's not the correct event.
I did her makeup before on this channel and I'm gonna do it again. But I'm also going to do her hair as well. And I also picked out her dress and her shoes. So she told me she don't want nothing like too much. I told her that I don't care what she want. And that's just how it's gonna be. Okay? Alright, so in the next few minutes you'll see me start doing that. Alright? Okay, y'all, so this is my sister Kelly. Y'all might remember her from the last time I did her makeup and from some of my vlogs. We are putting on my wig. This is the wig I made for my birthday a couple years ago. We decided to use one of my wigs because she couldn't find none of her wigs, and I could style it in Tennessee before I came up. So now I'm just using the Wig Dealer lace touch-up glue. It exploded in my bag, so I had to use a butter knife to apply it to her forehead. Just gonna dry that down, blast it with some cool air, and then secure that to her forehead and put on a wig cap. Not a wig cap, what's that thing? Like the wig band. There you go, that's what it's called. You got moisturizer on?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so now we're going to...
The Clinique one.
Oh, okay, good. Clinique moisturizer. What's that? Oh, as y'all saw, I'm now putting on the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer on her face, and look how gentle I'm being. Her face is getting caressed and massaged, and she is just in heaven with me putting that on there.
You told me I didn't need that for my brows.
I'm gonna try it. I mean, you really don't need it. I don't see what happens when I brush your eyebrows. So Kelly, this is just gonna add time to your makeup routine, so you're not gonna like that. So right now I'm putting on the e.l.f. Brow Lift. You heard me tell her that she did not need to do that. She didn't need to get it because she only has like 13 brow hairs. But I wanted to see what it would do. It didn't do anything because she doesn't have any brows. That is not shaming, it's just the truth.
So what on first with this?
You just have to throw it over your shoulders. You don't even have to put it on for real.
The object is not to draw attention.
Girl, she not drawing attention with this what's it called? With this Muppet fur. She really is not.
Duane, sorry for saying girl. But we say girl to actually I always have to stop myself from saying girl to Marcus.
I say girl to everybody and Didi be like, I'm not a girl. Reggie be like, I'm not a girl. I'm like, it just means I love you. Please relax. So right now I'm filling in her brows with the Ebony New York Secrets of Pharaoh brow pencil in the shades Natural Black. I first got this from the company, and since then I have been using it on myself. On anybody who asks me what eyebrow pencil to buy, I tell them to get this one. It is so good. Look how nice and natural these brows look, and they're completely pencil. Don't look at it yet.
I just wanted to see what my eyebrows look.
They look terrible right now. I'll tell you that right now. I will tell you that. I'm cleaning them up with the NYX Bear With Me concealer in the shade Tan. And I am using a flat concealer brush to carve out the underside, and then I'm going to shape the top with an angled brush from MAC. Now, even though her eyebrows are sparse, they weren't shaped, so I used the brow pencil to cover up all the hairs that she has on her face, but she thought they were too thick.
So I thinned them out here, and then you'll see me thin them out again later.
Okay, now you can look in camera light.
So this was the second time I thinned them out. She wanted them a little bit more natural looking. I just have to remember that not everybody loves a big, bold, thick eyebrow like me. So I just thinned it out with a little bit more concealer.
It's better? Yeah? Yeah. They look like regular size eyebrows. It'll be fine once the rest of your face done.
I don't have regular size.
I know, that's what I gave you. So, for me, it's like...
All right, so my camera died, so I've switched to phone recording here. I'm starting to get into the eye work. I'm putting down some Scotch tape on her face so that we can do a smoked out wing look with a little bit of shimmer on the lid. So I'm starting with the black from the Colwezi Queen by Mented Beauty palette, and I'm going to put that down to do the wing, and then I'm going to blend it out with the light brown that is in that palette. I'm also going to put some skin toned browns on the lid, and that is from the Mented Cosmetics Soft Served palette. I'm just gonna keep going back and forth with the black and the brown until we get a nice smoky winged liner look. I'm using a gold shimmer on the lid, and then I'm just going to take a clean brush to blend all of that out, blend everything together, make sure that it is nice and smoothly transitioned.
It's good. It looks very dramatic.
No,
Light?
not dramatic. Yeah.
I told you not to worry about what I was gonna do.
I know. I didn't say. Maybe I wanted a little bit more dramatic.
Oh, you did?
Listen, we don't have time now.
Marcus,
It's gonna be more dramatic because I'm a line underneath, and it's gonna get. Good morning.
Okay. Whatever.
I'm sorry, babe. I didn't know. You told me.
I asked you what you were doing.
Yeah, because I thought you wanted me to be like doing it. I don't want no, yeah. But it's gonna be smoked out on the bottom, so it's gonna have like a. It's gonna be. We're gonna be okay. Simple, but it's gonna have impact. Okay. Okay, so you heard her. She said she wanted something a little bit more dramatic than what I was giving her, which is the exact opposite of her personality. Every other time I'm doing her makeup, she's like, don't do too much. You're going to do too much, blah, 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 blah. So this time she wanted me to do too much, but I didn't listen to her. But anyway, we figured it out. Right now, I'm just going over her blemishes with some of that NYX Bear With Me concealer, and I'm going to go on top of that with the Fenty Beauty Eavesdrop Skin Tint in the shade 18. And I'm just going to use that as her all-over foundation. The rest of this is going to be sped up and quiet because, as y'all heard, Bailey woke up and she was a cranky pants. So she was crying like almost the entire time that we were doing the makeup. Then I'm going to put on some of the Bear With Me concealer again, using that for highlighting and blending that out with a concealer brush. I'm going in with the Mented Beauty Tea Rose Cream Blush, and look how beautifully that blends in with the concealer. It's just like such a great combination. Anyway, I'm setting that under eye and the rest of her face with the La Mercier Translucent Honey Setting Powder, and then I'm going to use the Fashion Fair Lush Blush Duo. I'm going to use the brown shade in the chocolate chip one for her bronzer. Then I'm picking up the Colwezi Queen again and using that black shade to smoke out her under eyelash. This is where we're going to bring the drama. We're going to make sure that that black is blacking. Then we are going to blend it out with the light brown that is also in that palette. And then finally, once that is all complete, I'm going to put on some mascara. Now this is the Fenty Full Frontal Mascara. on top and bottom lashes. So one thing I did not know is that I didn't know how to put lashes on other people. And I feel like I've put lashes on other people before, but this time it was actually really hard. I don't know if it's because of the tweezers I had and I'm not used to using them, but these, or if it's because my sister's eyelids are very, very little, but these were so terrible. It took us like 10 minutes to put on both lashes. I made sure that I clipped the ends because the last time I did her makeup, I did not clip the ends of her lashes, and it was a hot mess. She looked like a giraffe. So now I'm putting on the Lucent Jungle highlighter by Mented Cosmetics. And then we are going to line her lips with colors from the Soft Serve palette by Mented Cosmetics. And my sister has the perfect Cupid's bow, so that was really fun. And then for the lip color, I'm going to use Empathy by Colored Rain and Peachy by ABH, and I'm going to top it off with, actually, I don't know, I think it's Fussy from Fenty Beauty, but I'm not really sure. It's one of the Fenty Beauty gloss bombs. Anyway, you're about to see the finished face look. I am so sorry. I thought I hit record again when I did her hair, but I didn't, and so I'm really, really mad. But I do have some pictures of them out. Well, not out and about on the town. I have the pictures of them that I took before they rushed out the door. I picked out her dress and her shoes as well because I pretty much know my sister's style. She loves a shoe, she loves a bag, and she likes to be comfortable in the things she wears. So this is how they looked for their night out on the town. And now I actually see that we look alike. I usually don't think so, but we kind of do. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you got to the end of this, drop a hi Kelly with an I in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be part of the Glam Fam and know exactly when I upload. Don't forget to follow me on all major platforms at Glamazon1026, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.